Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgo Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. Let's take a quick peek at Zalai. Al Cheeseman is the developer of Zalai. He has several products on Warrior Plus, and his products always sell at a very quick rate. I first met Al with his Profit Gateway product. He always has an excellent follow-up service. Now, Zalai is an AI chatbot marketing suite that builds e-com stores and sales funnels. It generates free traffic and captures leads from social media and then converts them into sales. Now, there are 6 things you should know about this product. You don't need any techie stuff. It's just drag and drop in minutes. There's no waiting around. You can get results today. Now, you can activate the chatbot in 3 easy steps, and it works on autopilot. And you can use it for any niche, including snapping it into Facebook and Instagram and turn followers into customers. Now, the sales funnel is quite extensive. The front end is $17, and there are 7 OTOs. The first one is Zalai Pro for $47, and then there's Zalai Data Max, which is $67, and number 3 is Zalai Profit Accelerator, $97. Number 4 is Zalai Deluxe Tool Suite, $97, and then there's Zalai Done For You at $297. Auto 6 is the Zalai Reseller at $197, and then the last one is Zalai Super Bundle at $47. Now, watch for the downsells, because there's downsells for each of these OTOs. So, and you'll save some money, but you'll also get less product. And by the way, on the front end of the $17, there's a $9 chat box application that you can use. Now, there is a very extensive sales page for this product, so I would advise that you spend some time looking through it. Now, do you need to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before you go, please check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. Now that's $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And check out my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online with ease, and how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run your entire system. Thank you for watching, and catch you next time. Bye for now.